Hello, welcome to Oxford Heirlooms. This is an introduction to project number 47, which I'm calling Cousins for Christmas. In this little project, I'm going to make not one, but two little bishop jumpsuits. Okay, it'll have bows up at the shoulders. It'll have red detail at the end of the sleeves and at the bottom of the pants. Now the pattern that I'm using for this particular project, this pattern is called Bishop Jumpsuit and Knickers by Chery Williams. Okay, this pattern may be out of print, but you probably can find it on eBay or Etsy. Now the smocking plate that I'll be using for this particular project is called Candy Cane Bishop by Terry Collins. It's an older plate, but I think it is still in publication. Okay, now the materials list for this particular project. Okay, now since I'm making two, I need quite a bit of materials. If you want to make one, you can cut these yardages and items in half. Okay, we're going to need 4 yards of microcheck, 1/32 microcheck, that is, in forest. Now I'm using specular Vogel, which has some polyester and cotton, so that the garments won't wrinkle that badly. We'll need 6 each of 1/2-inch buttons that match the fabric. We'll need some 1/8 inch elastic. We'll need 2.5 yards of 1-inch red silk ribbon, that's for up at the shoulders. We'll need one package or 4 yards of single fold bias tape in forest. Then we'll need some cam plastic snaps in dark green, and the DMC flosses I'm using are Blanc, which is white, number 666, which is bright Christmas red, and number 911, which is my favorite Christmas green. Okay, now I've got my materials sitting out here. I've got my 1/32 microcheck, and I'll show you how to pleat this up and cut it out so that the fabric doesn't moire too badly. I've got my red silk ribbon, my buttons. I bought this, matter of fact, I bought it at Joann's. It's just bias tape in a dark green. Now I got my cam snaps and my green, red, and white flosses. Okay, now once again, the pattern that I'm using for this particular project is Bishop Jumpsuit and Knickers by Chery Williams. I'm gonna make this jumpsuit with the long sleeves, but I'm not gonna put the collar on there. Okay, the smocking plate that I'm using is called Candy Cane Bishops, and it's by Terry Collins. It's an older plate, but it is still, you can still find it to buy it. Okay, so this is an introduction to project number 47, which I'm calling Cousins for Christmas. I'll be making 2 bishop jumpsuits. Thank you.